just over a year since we kicked off production at Kathleen Valley. In less than 6 months, we ramped up the plant and hit commercial production, powered by renewables from the start. We also commissioned and started producing tantalum, with customer deliveries regularly leaving site. While remaining focused on business optimisation, we've rolled out a suite of projects to lift recoveries, enhance technology, support sustainability and expand the TSF to deliver strong production results.
We've made history as Australia's first underground lithium mine, hitting high development rates and commencing underground production on schedule. So what's next? We're laser focused on hitting our production schedule. The underground fleet is increasing. We're dialing in the largest paste plant in Australia, and we're building our tech team to support the ramp up.